What's up, everybody? It's the King. Everybody that subscribed to my channel or who already follow me on social media or whatever pretty much know that I go by the King. If you don't follow me or haven't subscribed to my channel, then you should do so. I make music with my artist from Detroit. My Instagram name is 313_King. And I don't typically do these iPhone little vlogs or videos for YouTube, but I decided to do it today because everybody's been doing it. And I wanted to see if it was as satisfying to open this plastic as everybody has been saying it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually open this and see if it's actually satisfying.
Fuck love, I don't know who to trust.
That was
I gave
cool.
Bitches all I had and they still want enough. Every chick that come around, now I just want to fuck. But if I fall in love with it, then that's just her luck. Cause I'm a big
I did that wrong. That's probably why it's not as satisfying as theirs was. But let's open the box and see if this phone really looks how it's supposed to look. Man, that's really sweet. So what we have here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I don't know what the deal is with this. I just really got the phone because it was the newest one. Like 3 cameras or whatever. I didn't know that part or whatever. But then it's not really the glass finish. They have that glass finish right there. I guess everything is glass pretty much. Sorry. It's like a matte finish though. It looked really sweet. First time seeing it in person, so yeah. It looked cool. We're gonna put that to the side. See what all the gadgets they have in here. Got the typical headphones that they pretty much put in all the iPhone boxes. Looks like a universal case or charger's case or whatever this is, blocked. But it's way bigger than the old ones. So hopefully it charges faster. Then we got the charger. This is a lot different. Which is pretty sweet because now I got it. Man, y'all know the hassle between putting this inside of here. Like the old chargers. I guess this is going to be a lot better because the old chargers have this and I had to buy an adapter for my computer to actually use this. So now this is going to be a lot helpful, I guess, because it has the outlet for these, and then I don't have to use my adapter anymore to plug up my phone to my computer because I have this. Right now I'm recording you on the XS Max Plus. So I have this one already. It's pretty cool. The camera's pretty good. I don't think there's going to be a big difference between the footage and everything because I pretty much use real cameras when I take videos and shoot videos or whatever I do, pictures and stuff. So I don't use these cameras or these phones for camera purposes. Pretty much just for social media and talking on the phone. But let's start it up and see what it's like. First time starting it up, it's finna be a breeze. So yeah, I know you guys are not want to watch this. This is pretty much probably going to be the same thing as starting up any other phone, the same little steps. So I guess I can conclude my video by saying hello. And follow me, subscribe to my channel.